So I'm reliably informed this time is called Twixmas. So Merry Twixmas, everybody. And hope you're having a great holiday season. Say we're out just for a little walk. This is Woodchester down here. You've seen it before, I know. And Selsley Common in the distance there. And yeah, bit of wind around. So I am going to be doing a lot more on the channel in the new year. And Father Christmas bought me a very exciting present. He bought me a drone, same make as my camera, DJI, and I'm going to use it when I've learned how to fly it to do more footage of aerial shots. You're a bit restricted where you can use it, so I'm not sure if it's suitable for many Cotswold villages, but certainly surrounding countryside, parks and commons and places like this. I'm going to give you a new view, an aerial view of this beautiful area. But if I can, I'll fly it, low level in villages. There's a function where it can follow me as I'm walking along somewhere. So there'll be a little bit of new types of videos coming out this year. And yeah, I'm excited to get to learn to use this DJI drone. I'm going to take it away with me when we go to the coast and try and learn a little bit there. Haven't actually flown it at all yet. I've just been registering it and insuring it and watching tons of YouTube videos on how to take stunning 4K videos. I'm also thinking of launching a sister channel to roaming the Cotswolds, something like Scenic Britain, where we go and explore new places, not in the Cotswolds, but just stunning scenery, and use a lot of drone footage to show you aerial photography. So stand by for more news in the new year. Not quite decided the channel name or how it's going to work, but yeah, something like Scenic Britain, beautiful Britain from air, flying above Britain, not sure, but anyway, welcome your suggestions. But yeah, so I'll do a little bit more filming. It's only going to be a short video, say hello and wish you all a Merry Twixmas. But yeah, this is what it's like at the moment. It's getting dark, so I'll be back in a bit. Bye for now. Stroud over there. Not too windy. Last time I came up here, it's very windy, and it was just when the dog and cat tree was starting to get decorated. So this is the famous tree at Rodborough, high on Rodborough Common, where every year the local animal sanctuary, Twixmas it's called, they look after this tree and they encourage people to put messages about their dogs and cats, many of which have obviously passed away. So these are tributes to animals, and we've obviously lost our lovely cat Sooty this year, only about a month ago, so we know what it's like to lose a pet, and it's really, really sad and upsetting. And all these tributes here are from owners who are obviously missing their little pet, little dogs and cats. But it's a beautiful tree. It's also got lights on at night, and we might come back when it's darker and I'll show you the lights. I haven't seen lights up here before, but yeah, some beautiful little tributes. You can see there little cards. Willow, in memory of Murphy Macaulay. Absolutely beautiful, aren't they? And so this tree will be here until 12th night, till the 5th of January, when Twixmas will come along and they'll collect all the money, and hopefully they'll raise a lot of money. It is for a charity that rehouses pets and looks after pets. They do some fantastic work, and yeah, raise a lot of money every year and collect things like food and gifts. So yeah, that's the dog tree. You've seen it before, but this is obviously a lot more decorated now. And as you can see, it's a dull grey day. It's dry, it's cold, it's about 4 degrees, which in the UK is considered cold. Hopefully it's going to kill off the bugs that I've had. I'm sorry if I'm sounding a bit gruff and hoarse, but yeah, as usual over Christmas, I'm a bit ill. But my lovely wife Margaret, who you just saw there in the background, has been looking after me, putting up with me, and now she's got a little bit of a sniffle herself. So I've probably... Sharing is caring. I've probably given it to her for Christmas. And we are going away to the Gower coast in a couple of days to celebrate New Year in the Gower, which, if anybody doesn't know, is in South Wales. It's a beautiful area, fantastic beaches, and yeah, we're going to stay in Oxwich Bay, right at the end of the beach there, and celebrate New Year. I will bring a little bit of footage. I know it's not Cotswolds, but I know some of you like to see other places in Britain equally as beautiful as here, so I will make a video or two. I won't bombard you with it. It's not for everybody, I know. And yeah, we're looking forward to that. So I will do a bit more filming when we decide where we're going, but I really just want to say hello and wish you and hope you've had a Merry Christmas and that you're enjoying yourself wherever you are in the world. And yeah, you'll enjoy the rest of the holidays, and then you'll have a great New Year and celebrate with family and friends. So I will see you soon, but I shall do a bit more filming. But yeah, quick update from me and Margaret as to what we're doing today. See you in a mo. Bye for now. So just coming up to a famous landmark on the common, Robber Fort. It's actually a Victorian folly. Looks like a castle, but it's a folly, and it's currently owned by quite a famous local person. I'm not going to name them, but yeah, interesting place. It's been a caravan site in the past, and it's been owned by quite a lot of different people. A lot of history to it as well. I think it's now being developed into a wedding venue, but yeah, Robber Fort. Just down here, Stroud, or the outskirts of Stroud. Very quiet day. That Sunday between the big bank holidays, and just very quiet and mellow today. Twixmas Sunday. I've learnt a new word from Margaret. Twixmas Sunday.
2 words.
2 words? Yeah, 2 words. Sorry, I'm still...
Twixmas was the one. Sledging down there.
Yeah, well-known sledging area. Maybe in the next week there will be snow. It's forecast to be colder from about New Year's Eve onwards. Certainly next weekend there is a chance of some snow in Britain, which is incredibly rare these days. So you never know. You might be seeing some videos soon of snow, and also maybe a drone view of snow, which would be interesting. Starting to get dark. What time is it now? Nearly 4 o'clock. Obviously we're past the solstice, so it will start to get lighter, but not really noticeable till January. It's only in a few days' time, but yeah. But so I was talking a little bit about this new channel, travel channel, using the drone, but also just general footage as I do now, but not restricting it to the Cotswolds, because beautiful as the Cotswolds are, there's only so much you can cover, and there's a lot of other channels that focus on the Cotswolds and do it extremely well. I'm in awe of a lot of them, and maybe I shall do a bit more in the new channel. So if you are interested in that, you love Britain, love to see stunning scenery, whether it's coastlines or historic buildings or countryside, woodlands, what is it you'd like to see? What is it that you would enjoy seeing? Which parts of Britain or what kinds of landscapes would you like to see? We're so lucky in this country, we've got everything. Mountains and rivers and stunning coastline, forests, quaint villages, industrial towns, seaside resorts, waterways, canals of course. Let me know in the comments what sort of stuff would you like to see. I mean, maybe you wouldn't want to see it, but I think the drone gives you an added dimension that you'd enjoy. I certainly would enjoy filming it, and yeah, let me know anyway if you've got any ideas, even ideas for the name of the channel. And if you've got any ideas for roaming the Cotswolds, places to go, villages I've not explored, types of videos I make, do you want them to be longer, shorter? Do you want me not to talk? Do you want it just to be images and, you know, like some people do, you know, no background music, no chat, just scenery? Or do you like a bit of commentary? Do you like a bit of the background and a bit of history? Let me know. Let me know how I can improve the videos for next year. But yeah, getting windier up here on Rodborough Common, so probably won't be filming much more. It's getting darker, but I will say goodbye. So will Margaret before we go. We might go to the pub, I'm not sure. The pub's that way, the Bear, but we may not go there. Anyway, if we do, I'll see you there. Just coming up, you've seen it before, I know some of you have, if you've watched any of my videos. If you're new around here, you won't, but this is known as the fallen tree, the silent tree. Came down in a big storm a few years ago, and it was famous really because it had a big hollow in its trunk, and you know, many families have had pictures of their kids, grandkids, or themselves snuggled into this trunk. And the council left it here because it's a bit of a landmark, and yeah, very sad that it's fallen down after all these years. But yeah, you can actually see part of the hollowed trunk there. Yeah, a lovely tree. And that's the stump still in the ground. And over here in the distance is Baden-Powell Copse, who formed the Scout movement, I believe, and that's a tribute to Baden-Powell over there. well, we think that's it for now. It's getting dark and cold, and I hope you enjoyed the walk on this Twixmas day, Sunday the 28th of December. We'll see you again, hopefully from the Gower Coast in South Wales, hopefully on a stunning beach or headland, somewhere that'll look really dramatic, and we'll show you some of the Gower Coast. If we don't see you, have a good Happy New Year, Happy 2026, and I'll be back, we'll be back, Margaret and I, with more Cotswolds content on the channel, and maybe we'll launch a new channel, and hopefully you'll come with us on that one as well. More details to follow. But from a very cold and getting dark Robborough Common, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care, folks. If you like this video, share, subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.